Hello guys, so this is my Pookie Wookie. We're in Grow Garden. You see my garden? It's so
Very sad, bro.
we're very very sad. Look at it. I'm gonna see how much it's worth. Oh, let me see how much it's worth. Oh, my eyes!
Look at
Yeah, dragonfly. How much is it?
Look at this.
How much?
Kunwari magugat ka kamay.
Give me! Give me the small thing that you hold.
This?
Yeah, that one.
That's a picture blossom, man. That's
Oh,
a
yeah,
candy
that was cheap.
It's a candy blossom.
Yeah.
It's a candy blossom.
What's the cheapest of the golden one, bro?
This.
That's the cheapest, the biggest one.
This is the cheapest.
Give me it, give me. Give me.
Here,
Give me.
go move.
You see my gayat?
Hey, you. Hell no.
How much is this worth? Oh, may puso.
Guys, I hate Tom right now, bro.
Like what? Look at it. Guys, look at his nose. Are you a witch?
Like actually, bro.
Are you a witch?
Thanks, bro.
You were the one that was supposed to change.
I miss the old set.
I hate you.
Price check.
Bro, stop.
Ano yan eh? Mani?
Price check. I'm sorry.
Bro!
Ayaw mo makigulo dito? Ayaw mo
Price check.
makigulo dito?
Bahala ka, wala ka attendance.
Ay mo no!
Like, yes. Come on. Why is this so small?
Because it's still growing.
Oh.
2 minutes before you're coming in.
Okay. Bro, I want to see what I can do. Green apple food.
Guys, by the way, she's like quite a blue because she didn't remember her old account.
And I literally had a bamboo that was golden.
Yeah, she even had like a beanstalk there because one time there was like an event. She was with me. Right?
Yeah, I'm so sad.
That's sad.
I'm real sad. What the hell? Oh my god. Seeds!
Sumusobra ka na!
Bro, what's in stock? Bro, what's in stock?
Cauliflower, get the cauliflower. Go to.
I'm buying everything.
Si ano pa?
Haha. Yes!
I'm sorry guys, but
Yan ang gawin ni Kuya Boy! Maingay!
Kirain, wala pa yata.
Tinayin, wala pa!
May I gift you my little strawberry? It's so cute. Look how cute it is.
look at this dude. What the hell?
Mauna si Marican!
Unang dumating eh.
Hoy! OIC natin yan. Sa Lunes, pipirma ng announcement.
Yun o.
Hoy, kumari ko yan!
Bro, I'm gonna like your garden. What? I'm gonna like your garden.
I already like my garden.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
I forgot to like your garden.
Bro, like my garden. I'm so poor.
Don't even have a single like.
Let's go to the summer harvest.
The summer harvest is done. It was done like a couple minutes ago.
Really? Oh
You
man.
have to wait another like all day.
Wala bata ko
Ah, shucks. What happened to the mutated plants?
What?
I hate this.
Why?
What?
Summer harvest is out. Summer harvest is out. Oh, summer harvest is out. Isha,
Bro, 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 bro. Give me a fruit. Give me fruit. Give me fruit. Give me fruit. Give me a fruit. Give me a fruit. Give me a fruit. Give me a fruit.
Nah, sorry, bro.
Okay, bro.
You have a cauliflower, right? Get the cauliflower.
Bro, it's not even on yet.
This is like, wait.
What? Let me see.
Wait, no, it hasn't started yet.
Bro, such a scam.
It's such a scam.
Now I gotta sell my inventory.
Yeah, for real.
Such a waste.
Such a waste.
Like, bro, why do you have to waste everything? I'm gonna say hi to my followers. We're gonna say bye to my followers. Come on, bro.
Fine.
Goodbye, mga pookies.
Wait.